Hey guys, MattMan37 back here, and I'm going to show you my Daedric Armour and weapons, and how to get it. And easy ways to find Daedra hearts, and an Ebony mine, which is all what you need to get Daedric Armour, and I'll show you right here. This is the Daedric Armour, pretty amazing. If I can just, I'll put my weapon away and then I can do it. There it is. You can fly. Go. That's it, right there. So, yeah. And I'll show you right here on the map where it is. Now, see right here is the Shrine of Maroon's Dagon. She was part of the other Oblivion games. And this is where there are 5 guys, or 4, one of those, and each of them carries a Daedra heart. They only respawn, I think, once every week or once a month in this game mode. It's game time, not real life time. So I'm going to check it out in a second, but right now I want to show you where the mine is. The mine is right here. Gloombound mine. Take a good look. North Windhelm right here. Below Nazalber. Right here. It in total gives you around 45 ebony ore, which I already mined. I think it's only one time, or you have to play a certain amount of hours and it responds eventually. But it's been quite a while and it has not responded for me. So I'll go over here, back here. So we'll travel over here to Mahoon's Razor, Mahoon's whatever, Dagon. That's the weapon you get after. Apologize for shaking if there is any, but yeah, I saw the other video and it was not too good what it showed, so this is all good. It's all good. If it shows any screen part of the TV, I'm sorry, but I'm waiting for it to load. I'm sorry. On Xbox, it takes a long time to load. So just wait here. Here we go. This is the place, and yes, they're all dead. Crap. Well, there will be guys here, right here in this place, right here, and they are. Here's one. Wait, no. Damn it, they're all dead. Well, when you go here, there'll be 2 guys here. You take them out. Blah blah blah. They have fire sword embers, and they're carrying Daedra hearts. They're not extremely hard, so most levels will be able to do this. But here's a couple of things they dropped. Here's a dead guy from the quest. Now let's check inside. There's also 2 more guys in here. There will be a wizard and one other guy, which is, oh, what the hell are you? Wizard and, oh yeah, just a normal guy. So I'm gonna keep on going further in here. A little ice place here. Now, there is a chest right here. I wish it would show the dead bodies I kill so you guys can get a look at what it looks like. Grand soul gems here. Sweet. Gold ignot. I don't really care about that. Oh, it's quite valuable. Alright. Catalog of armor enchantments. Okay, this is good stuff right here. Taking all of this. I didn't see this before. Strong box. Ebony ignot. Steel hammer minor alteration. All this stuff here. Pretty swagged out. Nothing much over here. Glow dust. Colorless or soul gem. Hide helmet major illusion. Some good stuff here, and this chest I already took, but, oh no I didn't. Here's some stuff it gives you. Not the greatest, but yeah, there will be guys here, I promise you 100%. I'm not sure if they'll be here if you haven't done the museum quest. The museum quest, you get a letter from a courier asking for help in Dawnstar, and you do the quest here, and then Mahoon's Razor, or whatever the hell how you pronounce it, asks you to either kill him, or, well, yeah, pretty much kill him, but you can choose to spare his life or kill him. But if you spare his life, I believe you do not get the Maroon's Razor, and I'll check if I still have it. I do not. I apologize for that. I sold it, but it's not that good, but I found it useless compared to some of the other things, like an ebony dagger would greatly outdo that. Let's search this. Nothing at all, because I killed everyone already. So yeah, nothing really here. I'm not sure about this mine. If you guys want to check it out, I'm not going to in this video. But let's go over here, down to where the thing is. Let's get a good look where this is, because it's freaking hard to find. Morthal, and just head right, just straight up right, and up the mountains a bit, and you should run into it. Now down here, to the right of Windhelm, is mine. This mine does belong to the orcs. So they are complete bitches when it comes to their mines. They're like, oh, look at me, get out, I don't want you here. So yeah, I just ignore them. They don't attack you. They're too chicken shit. So yeah, let's let it load. I'll show you guys what it looks like. I'm going to have to end the video off at around 7 or 8 minutes because last time we did 10 and it would not load. So we're going to have to retry this. Here we go. This is the mine right here. Small little place. Not much to do around here. Bed, and then, oh, what's this? Couple stuff over here, nothing really that good. Heavy armor forging. Take that. The reason I pick up books is a lot of times books give you different quests. So, I apologize for the other load. Another load. Now, right now, I am level 40, so it's pretty easy for me to do these things, but it's not hard at all to find this mine. Straight up in the open. Really wintry though, and here it is. Here's usually, you don't really have to bring a pickaxe. There's some right here, woodcutter's axe, and pickaxe I think is around here. Ebony ore vein! Oh crap, it's back! Aha! Weapons. Weapons. Pickaxe! Here we go! Now I'll show you guys just, I'm not gonna mine everything. What the hell? Do you see that? I have 2 pickaxes, and I only own 1. You just hit A, I guess. Put your weapon away and hit A, and it does that. It takes quite a while, I know, so that's the down part, but okay, what? Just taking forever. Okay, it does not normally take this long. Are you kidding me? Skip ahead, you guys. Skip ahead. Takes like 20 more seconds. I'm gonna end this. Well, okay, yeah. Right now it won't mine for me, but the first time I did it, it worked. Iron ore vein, more ebony here. I think you can only mine it once. It comes back, but it won't let you remine it because you've already done it. There's a whole crap load up the stairs here, down here some, and yeah. So that's my video, guys, and I'm just gonna see if it actually works to mine this stuff. So I'm going to end it off in a couple seconds. So thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, comment if you liked it. And, Matt out. See ya. Doo-doo.